Hi, I'm Rasmus from Maturix, and in this video I'm going to talk about starting your monitorings and how to connect the equipment on site. What we see our users do is that they usually install it in good time prior to the concrete truck coming in, because there's no way back when the concrete starts to pour. So you want to make sure that everything is correctly set up and is working and you're good to go. So the way that you can do it is that you can either install the devices first on site and then start the monitorings in the portal afterwards, or you can do the opposite and start the monitorings and then connect the equipment. The reason for that is that you can always go into what we know as the data editor and simply move the starting time to when you can see that the concrete has been poured. It's usually quite visible because you will see the big temperature change. So let's try to start some monitorings. So if you go to the cast page and have everything set up, then you will have the option now to start here in the software. So I'm just going to do that for one of them, and you can see that I have pre-selected a device. In this case I have named it Sensor 3, and then I'm simply going to click start. So now this one is started, and by started it essentially means that I've set the start time in the report to be from this specific moment. What you can also do is that you can connect the equipment on site and then start it afterwards. So let me just show you how that is done. So here I have a device and a Type K thermocouple. And what I simply have to do is simply just to connect it here in the bottom, push it in, and you can see that the LED is lighting up, indicating that it has registered the cable, and now that it's blinking, that it's taking the temperature measurement here at the tip, and it will soon start to blink faster, which is doing right now, indicating that it's transferring the data and the temperature readings to the cloud and to the software, so we can see it online. And what is obviously important is that you install this correctly. Please check some of our installation guides in the Help Center. So turning back to the software, the one I connected is called TNN25B, or no, wait, it's not, it's actually called DXR. So I want to actually change that because I can see that I picked another device. So what I'm gonna do is here, I'm gonna simply just change my pre-selected device. You can see the other one here is currently in use, but it's actually this one that I plan to use, and you can actually see right now that 0 minutes ago, I connected the cable, and in here it's a nice 19.7 degrees, and then I can click start. So that is how you simply start your monitorings, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to set the correct start time using the data editor.